In this video, I will show you how to get best eBay coupon codes. So to find those, instead of searching all over the internet, what you can do is simply go to your eBay account. Open up your eBay app, log in, or simply open up Chrome, search for eBay, click on the URL. Click on this three-line menu bar in the top right corner, then click on sign in. From here, log in to your account. Once you've done that, your eBay homepage will open. In the top right corner, you will see this menu bar. Click on it. Here you will find My Messages. Simply click on that. From there, you can filter the message whether you want to find your message from your sellers, from buyers, or from eBay. Click on eBay. There you will have gotten various messages and emails from eBay. And from there, you can simply find various coupon codes, promo codes, or certain percentage off or for certain items. And that's it. That is how you can find the best eBay coupon codes. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.